Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to retouch skin using camera raw filter. First of all, we need to duplicate this background layer. To duplicate layer, just right click on the layer, then select duplicate layer. Duplicate layer created now. Now we need to remove all the black spots form the face. To do that, go to filter menu and select camera raw filter option. New dialog box will open now. From the camera raw filter options, select detail option, then increase noise reduction value to 100, then decrease detail to 0. Now almost all black dots are removed now. But still we can see some dots on the face. We have to remove that spots also. To remove that, select the dotted area using lasso tool. Now again go to filter menu, and click on the camera raw filter option. Then repeat the same process what we did earlier. Increase noise reduction to 100, and reduce detail to 0. To remove selection, go to select menu, and click deselect option. Now we can see only few dots on the face. We can remove that using spot healing brush tool. After this process, apply layer mask on the duplicated layer. To apply layer mask, go to layer mask from layer menu, and click hide all. Now select brush tool, and change hardness to 0. Make sure your foreground color should be white, when you apply brush tool on the layer mask layer. Now change opacity level to 50, and apply on the lip area. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel, and hit bell button, so that you will get latest updates from me.